Mailahalam umbi, come inside. We're gonna make a kicked up version of alagwan or rice with coconut milk. It's a great dish to use up your leftover rice, and when you top it with Teresa's chamorro and some greens, it's delicious. Printable recipes are linked below and at the end of the video. First, you heat up 2 tablespoons or 30 milliliters of lard or oil in a pot. You can use bacon too if you want. Add a 1/4 cup or 8 grams of diced onions and saute till soft. Then we need to add 5 cloves of minced garlic and saute for a minute. Pour in 2 cups or half a liter of chicken stock. Traditionally, you just boil the rice in water, then you add the coconut milk. But today I'm using aromatics so I can have a good alagwan for lunch. Add 1.5 cups or 293 grams of leftover rice. If you just wanted something really fast, you just boil your rice in water until the rice is very soft. Then you add the coconut milk and salt and pepper. This is 2 cups of chicken stock. I'm doing it separately because I want you to see how gold this stock is. It's homemade. So if you have chickens in your backyard, you know, wait, because I want every bit of this fat. It's so good. You boil the rice until it's soft and you stir so it doesn't stick to the bottom. It will thicken as the water evaporates. Scoop the rice and check the kernels to see if they're falling apart. This is not ready. So you can add a little bit more water. I'm gonna add another cup of stock, but this is from the box because I ran out of the good stuff. Stir until it gets thick again. This is ready, so now I'm gonna add 1/2 cup or 118 milliliters of thick coconut milk. Colors the rice so nicely. I have to use the liters and milliliters and grams because, you know, people watch this around the world and we're not all using cups and tablespoons. Stir this good so it all mixes together. Add 1.5 teaspoons or 1.7 grams of salt and 1/2 teaspoon or 0.6 grams of black pepper. Mangi, my house is smelling so good. Look at how creamy this is. Wow, so rich. It's better topped with the avocado and some chamorro sausage and green onions. You've got to try these recipes, fan. Both are linked below. Thanks for pressing those love buttons so I can continue to satisfy your Guam recipe cravings. Stay tuned because I will have the sweet version of alagwan posted in a couple days. Adios.